In a recent interview featuring Dr. Ken Berry and Dr. John Lemansky, they delved into the topic of leaky gut. What exactly happens in our bodies when we have leaky gut? Let's explore the science behind it. Leaky gut, scientifically known as increased intestinal permeability, occurs when the lining of our intestines becomes damaged and allows undigested food particles, toxins, and bacteria to leak into our bloodstream. This can trigger an immune response, leading to inflammation and a range of health issues. So what are the key points to understand about leaky gut? First, it's important to know that it can be caused by various factors such as a poor diet, chronic stress, certain medications, and even genetics. Secondly, leaky gut can manifest in a variety of symptoms including bloating, gas, food sensitivities, fatigue, and even skin problems. But fear not, there are remedies to help heal leaky gut. One of the most crucial steps is to adopt a gut-friendly diet. This means avoiding processed foods, refined sugars, and gluten while focusing on whole foods and healthy fats. Additionally, incorporating gut-healing foods such as bone broth, fermented vegetables, and probiotics can be beneficial. Supplements can also play a role in healing leaky gut. Nutrients like L-glutamine, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to support gut health. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplements. Recovering from leaky gut is not an overnight process. It can take several weeks to months, depending on the severity of the condition and individual factors. Consistency and patience are key. If you're looking for more health tips and remedies, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Remedy Seeker. Together, we can embark on a journey towards better gut health. Remember, your gut health is crucial for overall well-being. Take care of your gut, and it will take care of you.